how to find product online using Google Lens. And look guys, if you want to find any product and you have like that product big and you want to search for another pro products that are exact same but like upload it on different websites and not selling. So how you guys can do that? So for that you need to download Google Lens. You guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. Simply go to Play Store and search for Google Lens. So you simply search for Google Lens. Once you search for Google Lens, you guys simply download that app Google Lens. After that, click on Open. Now once you open it, it will say Open Camera. So if you have that product in real, you guys can simply click on Open Camera and you can do that product pic and it will automatically upload it. And if you have pic in gallery, for example, I have that bike pic in my gallery and I want to search for similar bikes that are for settings, so simply click on that. And once I click on that, Google Lens automatically detects that and search for it on all online websites. Like you guys can see, that bike lot of pics and that are on different websites. So that's how you guys can find any type of products using Google Lens. Thanks for watching.